Vlog! JL Vlog! JL Vlog!
Ano, naliligo pa ako.
Kinakabahan!
Ayoko pag-isipan.
What are you feeling?
Sasaka ako. Ay, ayoko isipin.
Kasi ito, kakain.
Oras. Mag-inintay. 20-minute gig.
Matthew, anong gagawin mo?
Wala naman.
Galing!
Okay lang yan, Matthew.
Nasaan kami? UP!
Kala mo di mo ka taga.
We're in the land of the free! Los Baños! we're in UPLB now. You've stepped foot in UPLB. Look at these. Look at these three. Yeah. 3. Jan Luis, Lobitania Flores, Alikin Jeff, Pauline, Isaiah Marcus, De Guzman. Oh my God! It's the thing! Oh! What? Para tayong dayuhan eh.
Okay. Ha? 10. Okay, tayo umay. The winner takes it all. Jackpot, ha?
Wow.
Kahit mga ilan-ilan kayo.
Look!
Okay, alright.
LB Fair!
Okay, alright.
Yung gardenia!
Okay, watch.
Touchdown, LB!
Touchdown!
Sino to? Uy!
Basis ng decent!
What?
Hello!
Mag-ghost hunting kami.
Yes.
Pati magsha-shawarma hunting mamaya.
Hindi mo sinasama yung isa? Shawarma. Yan yung multo to.
Hindi! Nasaan si Macho?
Oh, wala
Matthew! Matthew!
Wala si Macho, wala.
Tapos may nakahawak na sa nakagano na sa kamay. May nakaganto na sa braso ni Jello.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Hello! May nakahawak sa braso mo.
May multo.
Sasabihin ko.
Jackpot.
Ano?
Gumanong ba?
Ano?
Decent! We are here! Hindi nakaganon.
Oh!
Decent. Alam mo ba? Beautiful, pre. Very decent.
What? Kompleto kami!
Hello.
We're complete.
Kunin namin yung instruments namin.
Saan si Ram? Nawala si Ram!
Bumalik.
Nasaan si Ram?
Si Matthew pumalit.
Minulto si Ram.
Ano?
Feb 13.
Ano?
Today. Oh my God. Para sa tamol yan?
Asan yung fertility Ram?
Ano?
Asan? Ayun? Yan? Yan? Ayan?
Yan. Yan, yung mahabang...
Mahaba Ram? Mahaba. Kaya pala nagpa-fertility.
Fertility tree.
Fertility tree.
Legend hat.
Very delicious. Very nice. That ain't no chicken.
That's a weird looking cat. What the hell?
Look at all those chickens. Look at those chickens.
Jill! What are those?
Chickens, bro.
What
Look at
the?
those chickens. As a biology student, I can
What?
Conclude na those are chickens. Kasi yung size, yung shape, it's a chicken, bro.
Okay. If you say so.
Yes.
Anong story ng fertility tree?
According to history,
Ano?
pagka daw yung magnobyo ay nagsama, ay biglang iinit ang kanilang mga katawan.
Paano yun? Sample.
Kuha kang
Sample kami.
kuwari, ayan. Yung dalawang mamumula yan. Si Alikin pa. Ano yan? Manginginig na yan.
Manginginig.
Tapos si Matt naman, manginginig-nginig din. Tapos
Seizure.
kasi parang ang legend has it, parang sinasaniban ka daw.
Paano sa Exorcist.
Sinasaniban.
Pinapasukan ng multo.
Yung parang gano'n pinapasukan ng. Ito naman pinapasukan na nga sila eh. Nagdadap-dap na nga. Mali konting-konti na mamaya pagdating
Mamaya
sa
hindi na dap-dap yun. Ganto-ganto na yun.
lap-lap.
Bro, this is not decent. This is not decent.
na yan.
We have 1 minute till we go backstage. Ano?
Ano ko nakaban?
Huh? Ba't ka kinakabahan?
Nakaban lang.
Excuse me. Ay, sorry po. Hi, double vlog. Oh.
Let's go.
Tawid. Tawid, JL!
Ato na, pre. Ito lang. Hintayin mo ko.
Hello, kabagal naman ari nga batang ari.
Ah? Grabe ka. Pre.
Ano?
Para mas papasukin pa kami dun.
Media naman kayo, media naman. Our new media team. Get Clifford, pati si Harv.
Sila, pwede na kayo sa ano?
We're backstage!
Okay, ko ba yung ano?
Mga kinakabahan. Kakatapos lang ng set namin.
So hot. Pagod.
Oh, guys. Wow. Kilala ko yun. Pati siya.
Si Aligit, tara na. Shawarma fair. I'm hungry. I wanna eat. I'm so hungry. I want shawarma so bad. Kuchi.
Hi! Dito! Mango likes men! Mango likes men? Yes, sir!
What's up everyone? Nakauwi na ako and kami ng decent. I just realized that I didn't really record an ending to the vlog.
to the UPLB Feb Fair vlog. Hell yeah! As you can hear, I don't have a voice anymore. My vocal cords are very strained. And I want to say on behalf of the rest of the band who aren't right here right now, kakauwi lang nila. But yeah, we're very thankful. we're very thankful. Maraming salamat. We're very thankful for the love and support you've all given these past few weeks. It's just been the start of 2026 and a lot has already happened. A lot of good things. Madami ng magandang bagay nangyari sa amin as a band. From you guys, you gave us all the love and support, even though the year just started technically. But yeah, I want to say on behalf of the band, thank you very much. Thank you for being decent with us. Yes, I'm so tired. I want to go rest. This is me, Axin from Decent, signing off. Hopefully my voice comes back soon. Sana bumalik yung boses ko so. Because we have another gig next week, so yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye.